First chord played in the right hand is G minor. That's G, B flat, and D. You'll play that staccato. Next chord, you're playing a G, D, and an F. Next chord is an inverted C minor. The reason why it's inverted is because I'm playing a G, C, and an E flat, but instead of playing the G here to make it a C minor, what I'm doing is I'm playing this G an octave lower, so it becomes an inversion. G, C, and E flat. So play from the top, it's now what you're going to do is play the same chord here, the inverted C minor, staccato this time. And what I just did there was, so I played the inverted C minor staccato, played the G minor again, which is the G, B flat, and the D. Next chord was a G, A, and C. So putting it all together from the top, it's then you repeat. Repeat again. And that's pretty much the right hand. Your left hand is going to start off playing a G. That's this note here, followed by an F, then a G up here. So it's, that's the first part. Next thing you're going to do is play a D flat, then a C. So putting that together, it's now you're going to jump back up here and play the F and the G again. This time you're going to play a B flat, an A, then a D, then you'll repeat from the G. So putting that all together, it's repeat, putting both hands together in this song is a little tricky, so just bear with me. You may have to go through it a couple times to get the rhythm down in your head, but for the most part, after repetition, you should be able to get it. So what you're going to do is you're going to start off like this. You're going to play the G in the left, then play the G minor staccato in the right. So it's, that's the first part. So it's play the left hand, then play the two chords in the right with the D flat and the C in the left. So if you see that, it's now you're going to play the chord in the right, play the D, then repeat, starting with the G. And so on.